Some dreams are not just meant to be seen, they are meant to be lived, fought for, and achieved through sacrifice. This is the story of Juraj, a boy who failed 3 times, but on his 4th attempt, conquered his dream and became a soldier in the United States Army. A 6-year-old Juraj is in his small bedroom. He is dressed in a toy-sized military uniform, holding plastic guns, surrounded by toy soldiers. On his wall are posters of American heroes. A small American flag rests on his study desk. His eyes shine with only one dream. One day, I will become a soldier. Years pass. Juraj turns 18. With excitement, he fills out the registration form online. The screen flashes eligibility, nationality, age. He passes the education test. He clears the medical test. But when his height is measured, he is 1 inch shorter than the required 5 feet 6 inches. Result: fail. He walks home heartbroken, his dream slipping away. 2 years later, he tries again. He spends months stretching, exercising, hoping to increase his height. This time, he clears the height requirement. Education test, pass. Medical, pass. But then comes the fitness test. 1.6 kilometers in 9 minutes was required. He completes it in 10. Push-ups required, 15. He does only 10. Result: fail. Tears roll down his face. His second dream shattered. On his 3rd attempt, Juraj feels confident. Registration, education, medical, fitness. Finally, he breathes with relief. But when the final weight check is done, the doctor looks at the scale and says, "Sorry, you are 50 grams overweight." 50 grams, just the weight of a chocolate bar. Result: fail. This was his most painful defeat. He goes home, shuts his door, and cries silently. But failure didn't break Juraj. It shaped him. He created a new life for himself, waking up at 5 a.m. every morning, running miles before sunrise, pushing harder at the gym, reading books to sharpen his mind. He realized the army doesn't just need strength, it needs intelligence, discipline, and character. Finally, his 4th attempt arrives. He registers again. Eligibility, education test, pass medical, pass. Then the fitness test. 1.6 kilometers in 8 minutes, 15 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, 3 chin-ups. He passes everything. Finally, he faces the interview. The officer asks, "Why do you want to join the army?" Juraj looks him straight in the eyes and says, "Because serving my country is not just my dream, it's my duty." The officer smiles and replies, "Welcome to the United States Army." Result: past. Juraj's journey teaches us one truth: the army is not for everyone. It is for those who have the courage, the strength, the discipline, and the passion to never give up. Failures are not the end. They are the training ground for success. This was the story of Juraj, the boy who turned his dream into reality. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to History Bites, like this video, and share it with others, because dreams like these are meant to inspire the world.